Good morning, market movers. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, here to guide you through the latest twists and turns of the financial markets. Yesterday, we saw a bit of a mixed performance in the markets, but notably, the Dow Jones Industrial Average managed to break its 6-day losing streak, finishing up 0.2%. This small uptick came after some pretty significant comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who hinted that interest rates might stay higher for longer than many had hoped. While the Dow saw a slight rise, both the Standard & Poor's 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite ended the day slightly lower, down 0.2% and 0.1% respectively. The markets really were on a bit of a roller coaster throughout the day, reflecting ongoing uncertainties. Investors are particularly keyed into the bond market, where yields have been climbing. After Powell's remarks, the 2-year note yield spiked to just above 5%. That's the highest we've seen since November. Meanwhile, the benchmark 10-year Treasury yield ticked up to around 4.66%. Now, let's talk earnings. It was a big day for reports, with several major companies releasing their latest financials. United Health Group made some waves, with its stock rising about 5% after beating profit estimates, though it also noted a hefty $1.6 billion impact from a recent cyber attack. Bank of America and Morgan Stanley also shared their numbers, with Bank of America reporting an 18% drop in first-quarter profit, while Morgan Stanley managed to exceed expectations, giving its shares a nice boost. BNY Mellon and Johnson & Johnson were also in the mix, with mixed results in their financial disclosures. So, what should we expect moving forward? Well, with the Fed signaling a more cautious approach to rate cuts and corporate earnings painting a diverse picture, investors will need to stay nimble. Keep an eye on those bond yields and any further developments in corporate America and in the Middle East. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to join us again tomorrow for more updates on the pulse of the markets. Have a great day, and remember, stay informed and stay ahead. Cheerio!